You can use Azure Recovery Services Vault when you are managing traditional backup workloads like Azure VMs, on-premises servers, or system-centered DPM. And when you are using Azure Site Recovery for disaster recovery. In this video, we will go through deployment considerations. To create a Recovery Services Vault, search for Recovery Services Vault in the Azure search bar and select the service. And then click on Create Recovery Services Vault. Name the Recovery Services Vault and fill in the other details. Then click on Redundancy. To choose the storage redundancy option for backup data stored in the Recovery Services Vault, you have two options. One is LRS and the second one is JRS. In LRS, data is replicated within a single Azure data center. This is a cheaper option, and this is suitable for non-critical data or when compliance doesn't require geo redundancy. And in GRS, data is replicated to a secondary region. This provides higher durability, and this is recommended for disaster recovery scenarios and business critical backups. Select LRS and click on Encryption. This is where you can use CMK and encrypt the backup data. You know now by this time how to select the keys out of Key Vault in this case. Let's keep MMK and click on Vault Properties. Immutability ensures that backup data cannot be modified or deleted, either accidentally or by malicious actors. It's a security and compliance feature useful in highly regulated or mission critical environments. The immutability toggle is disabled with the message saying that immutability feature is not available in the selected region. In supported region, once enabled, it's reversible at first and can be disabled. You can later lock it via the Vault property to make it irreversible. Click on Networking tab now. This is where you can add private endpoint. When you add private endpoint, just ensure that services that will use this Recovery Services Vault for backup can see this Services Vault. As always, private endpoints are preferred options. Click now on Review plus Create. Once RSV is deployed, navigate to the Properties under Setting menu. It's where you manage core settings like security configurations and backup options. In Backup and Site Recovery settings, Backup configuration customize how backups are stored and optimized. Cross subscription restore allows restoring backup items to a different subscription. Monitoring setting define how backups are monitored and alerts are triggered. And Recovery Services Agent or backup credentials is used for managing on-premises backups using agents. In security setting, security level shows a rating based on a current security posture. Immutable Vault currently marked as not enabled, which means backups could be altered or deleted. Multi-user authorization can be used to require additional approval for critical operations. Soft delete protects deleted backups for a retention period, and security pin adds an extra layer when restoring or deleting backups. Note that multi-user authorization and security pin is a key security setting for protecting from ransomware attacks. Under Getting Started menu option, when you select backup, you can find that what you can backup with RSV. You can clearly see that this list is a bit different list than backup vault. So understand when to use each. Under Manage, you can see some default backup policies that comes with RSV. But this is the one where you should add backup policies based on your own needs. This is something you do first before protecting items. And that's all about the RSV. You know now what security elements to look into when designing your backup strategy.